Welcome to my channel. I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。Today, I want to show you how to make a very popular ramen recipe in Japan. Chilled ramen salad, known as Hiyashi Chuka in Japanese, is one of my favorite ramen recipe eaten during the extremely hot Japanese summer. The ramen noodles are tossed with vinegary and salty dressing, topped with thinly sliced vegetables and ham. This is so refreshing on hot and humid days. 今日は冷やし中華を作ってみたいと思います。Alright, so let's get started. First, slice the vegetables and ham into thin strips. Traditionally, we use cucumber, tomato, and ham, but you can use any vegetables you like for your salad. Another vegetable I really like is the sprout. Then, I'm going to make a thin layer of egg crepe. Let's make the egg mixture. Add a pinch of salt. Let's pour the egg mixture over the heated pan in a thin layer. Once cool, cut the egg into thin strips. Add sugar, salt, ponzu, and sesame oil into a small bowl and make a dressing. Cook your ramen noodles in boiling water. When the noodles are cooked, wash under the running water. Serve Stack the noodles on a plate and place the toppings on top. Sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds as you like. Now the ramen salad is complete. Let's pour the dressing over the salad. Let's give it a try. This is so citrusy, and this vinegary sweet dressing goes so well with the ramen noodles, and I think this is a perfect way to use your ramen noodles. I really recommend you to try this recipe during the summer because it's so refreshing and cooling. On this channel, I share about authentic Japanese dishes, Japanese sweets, and information about delicious local foods from Japan. If you're a fan of all things Japanese and want to learn about our local foods in depth, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I create a variety of traditional sweets called Wagashi and share on my Instagram. You can search for @Miss Wagashi. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!